What's up, y'all? Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm gonna be working with Megalook. So they sent me over a wig, duh. So when you first open the box, you get this nice booklet. It says Megalook, and it just shows you how to take care of the wig. It shows you the factory where they make their wigs at. They're showing you that they have the top grade of hair and all of that good stuff. So here we have a 20-inch deep wave. Ooh, does these curls scream spring, summer? Yes, they do. And I can already tell right out of the box that this is gonna be a bomb hairline, a bomb frontal. I can already tell. So it's a basic cap construction. It do have a little lace right here on the back that I'm about to cut. The lace on the back is so it can look more natural if you want to wear it up in a ponytail. So let's cut this off real quick. So I'm adjusting the straps. I can already tell that it's gonna take nothing to style and make this wig look beautiful. Probably just a little bit of mousse and go. All right. Okay, so let's pop her on real quick. I don't know what the density is on this wig. Whatever it is, it's perfect. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. It is just right. I can already tell. Oh, I might want to wear this. Ooh, I think I'm gonna wear this going to the back and have that little wet and wavy look, but going to the back. Let me cut this lace off. All right, so I'm gonna do a middle part, even though I probably won't do any part because I want to wear it straight back. But I just want to show y'all what it looks like. If I do wear it in the middle part, I'm gonna have to put concealer on it. Okay, so this is what the hairline looks like up close. Very realistic, and there's the part somewhere up in there. There's the parting, and the part goes back far. Hold on, that's a lot of parting space. Oh, that's probably a good, what, 6 inches? Yes, that goes back far. This is a track right here, so that goes back pretty far, y'all. Pretty far. Okay, so like I said, I want that straight back, wet and wavy look. Okay, so I got my water bottle here, and I'm gonna just kind of saturate the hair. Just put as much water as I can on it, especially the top. I'm gonna kind of pick out my baby hairs and then go from there. So I'm gonna pick these baby hairs out. I'm gonna apply this mousse right on top of there. I'm loving the density on this wig because it's not too thick. I didn't glue the wig down, so I'm kind of trying to hold it. So now let's get these curls popping. Or they already popping, but we're gonna get them wet and wavy popping. Spread a little bit of water, followed by some mousse. And just kind of comb it through with your fingers. You want to take this section by section so you can make sure that mousse get all up in there. So as you can see, that's what it looks like. Here's the difference between the two. Don't mind this, I'm gonna fix this once I get the mousse all over. I don't even need no baby hairs though. Like, I really don't. Just look at that. That looks natural. Like I just got out of the pool. I just got out of the shower. Love it. Okay, so I'm like, do I want to cut the baby hairs? Like, do I want to even cut any? Just let's get into it. Like, let's get into it. You can't tell me this don't look like you just got out of the pool or the shower. You can't. You a straight up hater if you think otherwise. You just hating. Okay, we're gonna go for it because I know y'all might want to see it. I know some of y'all are screaming, no! We gonna go for it. Let me thin it out a little bit because I don't want that much. So let me go as thin as possible. I'm gonna take some out. The lace is perfect. It is coming off a little bright on camera, but the lace is perfect. I'm telling y'all, my scalp is bright. My scalp is actually lighter than this. So let me cut this real quick. And then just do one little swoopy swoop. Okay, I just want a real light swoop. Just something light. So I'm done. I'm done. Y'all seen how effortless this was, how realistic this looks. Go get you one. Go get you one. Link down below in the description box. I got a coupon code down there for you as well. It's affordable, bomb, cute, natural looking, curls popping. The lace is bomb. Link down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.